Heath Sr. from the Web Video Academy. Welcome to video 2 of the Facebook Sequential Profile Picture video tutorials. And in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your own images to Facebook and get them in sequence on your profile page. So let's head on over to my Facebook page and I'll show you how it's done. So in this video we're going to change our profile picture, and I am going to change these, but if you don't have these you'll be adding your new images to these blocks. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is hover over the top of our image, and we can just click change picture, and then we can come down here and click browse or take a picture. I have my picture on my computer, so I'm just going to click browse, and then I'll just browse through my files for my new image. I called mine Fanpage Banner 2. And once your picture is uploaded, just come over here and click View My Profile, and we have our new profile picture. Now we want to upload this series of images here and get them in sequence. So what we're going to do is go to Photos, come up here to Photos again, and then click Upload Photos. Click Select Photos, and then browse your computer for the photos you want to upload. And once I find the photos I want to upload, there should be 5. You need 5 of these in sequence, and you can see how mine are in sequence here. I'm going to click the first photo and then hold Shift and then click each of the additional photos that I want to upload, and then click Open. And you should name your album, and I'll call mine Profile Sequence Pics 2. Location, quality standard or high resolution. High resolution takes 10 times longer. Mine are already up anyway. Now this you can choose share album with. If I choose to share this album with friends only, then I can upload another album and another sequence of pictures that I share with everyone. So that's pretty cool, because you can set up a couple different sequences, and you can have one that says something, maybe it has text in it that sends a message to people who are not your friends. So this can be pretty powerful for marketing purposes also. So now I'm going to go ahead and click Create Album, and this is where it gets a little time consuming. It's not too bad, it's not very difficult, but it can take a few minutes and it's relatively easy. Okay, once we get all our images uploaded and publish that photo album, now we need to go in and edit the album. We'll go to Edit Photos, and then go to the last photo, click on the photo, and then tag yourself in the photo, and then save changes. And now view your profile, and you'll see the last image is there first. Okay, so now we're going to go back to that album, go back to Edit Album, Edit Photos, and then go to the next photo, tag yourself, save changes. Go back to the album, Edit Photos, the next photo, tag yourself, save changes. Edit Album again, and Edit Photos again. Second image, tag yourself, save your changes. One more time. Edit Album Info, Edit Photos, first photo, tag yourself, and save the changes. And that should complete the sequence. And there you go. Now, as you can see, my photos were probably a little too large, so the W got cut off a little bit here, missing the D here and the C here, and part of the M on this one. But that does give you the idea. You do have to play around with it a little bit. I've had some differences in sizes. These images were actually identical to the sizes on the last set of images that I had up here, and those worked out fine. I'm not sure exactly why. I don't know if it's because Facebook is always changing things, which in fact, if you do this the first time and it doesn't come out right, or the sequence doesn't come out right, sometimes they come out of order even though you tag them in order. I can't explain that. All I can say is that It seems like Facebook is always working on the site, so sometimes things work flawlessly and other times they don't, and it takes a few tries. But don't give up on it. I think it's worth it. As you can see, these are actually for my fan page. I'll tell you why I didn't do this demonstration on my fan page, and the reason for that is because they almost never come out in sequence on a fan page. They just seem to pretty much do whatever they want. So if you have a pattern or a texture or something like that you want to put up here, that's great. That'll work out fine. But if you have words and you need them chopped up in sequence, it's probably going to frustrate you far before you ever get them in sequence. Maybe it's just me, but I've given it several tries and it doesn't seem to work exactly like it works on the profile. On the profile, if you do it properly, they will come out in sequence. It doesn't seem to be the case on fan pages. So if anybody does know how to do this in sequence on a fan page, I'd appreciate your feedback and your tips on that. So thanks for watching this video.